Namaste and welcome to my channel Creativity of Gayatri. Today I am going to do 5 simple and easy friendship bands for kids. So before going to start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the instant notifications of my video. So let's get started one by one. So first one, I have taken a paper sheet and I'll draw here heart shape, then I'll cut it, and after that I'm taking the gift wrapper and I will also cut it the same, and it's little bit bigger size from this one, and I will paste both of these. Then I'm going to write over here best friend, and after that back side I will paste again a thread to tie. Then I will threaded some beads over here so that it looks nice. So my first friendship band done. Then now we'll go to second one. The second one is very easy. I have taken this pink and white multicolor embroidery thread, and here I'm just threading this beads. It's a kind of ball bead and this too. So here I am threading it, and I will tie this one both sides so that this beads will be secure. And the second friendship band is ready. It's very simple and easy to make it within a 1 minute. Let's start third friendship band. So this one also very easy. I hope kid will be liking these letters. So it's a glitter kind of letters. I have taken this foam sheet and this cardboard hard paper sheet and embroidery thread. So here I am doing just I apply the glue over here this sheet, paper sheet, and I cover up with yellow color embroidery thread, and I make a shape to it. So like this you need to cover up, and for secure purpose you need to like apply the glue at the end and all over this sheet. And now I am going to take this green color foam sheet and I will cut all the letters of friend. So I cutted it one by one, so it's almost done. Now I am going to paste it on this sheet, this friend, and here by using the needle I just put inside this sheet this thread, so no need to paste it anything backside. So our third friendship band also ready. Now going to fourth one. So here I have taken this quilling craft paper, and I'm just quilling it. All this different colors I have taken, and a blue color embroidery thread I have taken to thread this quilling papers. Like this you need to roll it, and after that you will apply the glue so that it will be not loose and it will be secure. After that you will press it little bit, and over here I'm going to write friends. So I have taken this 6 quilling strips, and like this you need to turn it one by one. You need to roll it and you will make it as, and by using the needle I have like threaded it one by one. This way you need to do. So it's done, and both sides you need to tie so that it will not remove or it will not like fall down. And here I'm going to write friend. So my fourth friendship band also ready. It's very easy also. And now I'm going to make fifth one friendship band. So here I have taken this ribbon, this small size ribbon, and I'm just folding it, little bit folding it like this, and I apply the glue over here because it's ribbon will be sleek kind of thing. So if you apply the glue, it will be stick. And you can use any needle, or here I have taken this paint brush to roll it, and after that here like this you need to roll it. Then again reversely you will fold that ribbon. How you fold the first one, this reversely you will fold this one, and again you need to twist it, like roll it, until it's the same way you need to continue until it's form a rose kind of thing, like ribbon rose. So already I prepared one, you can see here. This way you need to do it by applying this glue, or you can stitch also, because ribbon will be not sticky, so you need to very careful while doing it. So this way my two ribbon roses are ready. You can see here. So now I am taking this yellow and green color embroidery thread, and I will wave it from both sides. So that's this way. This one you can see. First I am tying this one this way, then with the help of cello tape I'll stick it, and then I will wave it. So from both sides you have taken this two color, and you will tie the knots from both sides this way, how I am doing it here. So you need to continue until until the end, how much the thread you have taken. It should be like you have to take little bit 25 mm like that, so that it will after tying also you can able to tie in hand. So it's ready now. Now I'm going to paste these two ribbon flowers, this brown color, and here I'm taking this pearl and I'll paste it so that it looks nice. So I hope you guys like this friendship bands. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel to your friends, relatives, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned till then. Bye bye.